Good morning everybody. Welcome back again to the accountancy class. So we have started with the calculation of interest on capital. We have solved one problem. Let us solve the another problem with a different adjustment. So take the problem. So this is the problem. Josh and Krish are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. So their profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Their capitals at the end of the financial year 2015-16 were rupees 1,50,000 and rupees 75,000. Here the capitals of the partners are given at the end of the financial year. Okay, keep it in mind. At the end of the financial year we have the capitals of both the partners. During the year 2015-16, Josh drawings were rupees 20,000 and the drawings of Krish were rupees 5,000, which had been duly debited to partners' capital accounts. Here they are debiting to the partners' capital account. Profit before charging interest on capital for the year was rupees 16,000. So here the profit is rupees 16,000. The same had also been debited in their profit sharing ratio. So the profits are shared in the profit sharing ratio of the partners. So Krish had brought additional capital of rupees 16,000 on October 1st, 2015. So Krish introduces the additional capital into the business, which is rupees 16,000. So he brings it on October 1st, 2015. So they have said us to calculate interest on capital at 12% per annum for the year 2015 and 16. So this is the problem. So here they have given the capital at the end of the financial year. So here first we need to calculate the capital for the beginning of the year. Then we need to calculate the interest on capital. So let us calculate the capital at the beginning of the year. Okay. So they have given us, see the solution. So they have given us the capital at the end. Correct? So 1,50,000 of Josh and 75,000 of Krish. So they have given the drawings also. As we are calculating the capital at beginning, so we have to add the drawings during the year. So drawings during the year is 20,000 of Josh and 5,000 of Krish. They have given in the problem. So let us add it. It becomes 1,70,000 and 80,000. So now they have given the share of profit, that they have said that profit before charging interest on capital for the year was 16,000. So we shall deduct the share of profit which has been credited. So as it is credited, we are deducting it. So they have given 16,000 of profit. Now we have to share it between Josh and Krish. So 16,000 is the profit. So Josh is equals to 16,000 and the profit sharing ratio is 3:1. So 16,000 into 3/4 and Krish 16,000 into 1/4. This 3/4 and 1/4 is the profit sharing ratio they have given in the first line of the problem. Okay. So 16,000 into 3/4 is 12,000 and Krish 16,000 into 1/4 is 4,000. So the total is 1,58,000 and 76,000. So we have got this. See the second line. Krish had bought additional capital of rupees 16,000 on October 1st, 2015. So additional capital is bought by Krish. So we have to deduct. Why we have to deduct the additional capital here while preparing the capital at beginning? Because we are calculating the capital at the beginning. So we are deducting. year. Okay, why we are deducting the additional capital here? Because we are calculating the capital in the beginning, so we are deducting the additional capital. So Josh didn't introduce any additional capital, only Krish has bought additional capital of 16,000. So we are deducting it. So the total 1,58,000 and here it becomes 60,000. So this is the capital in the beginning. Capital in the beginning. So now we have calculated the capital in the beginning. So we have calculated the capital in the beginning. So you can take a screenshot of it. Now, as per the question, we have to calculate the interest on capital. So our main question is calculation of interest on capital. So let us calculate the interest for Josh. So the capital in the beginning of Josh is 1,58,000. 1,58,000. So this is interest on capital. 1,58,000 into 12%. So 1,58,000 into 12% is 18,960. Correct? 1,58,000 into 12%, 18,960. So we have calculated the interest on capital for Josh. Now let us calculate for Krish. See the Krish here. We have, for Josh we have calculated 1,58,000. For Krish we will calculate for 60,000. 60,000. So this is interest on capital. 60,000 into 12%. For whole year we are calculating. So we get 60,000 into 12% is equals to 7,200. So see here. Then Krish bought a additional capital of rupees 16,000. We need to calculate for 16,000 also additional capital. 12% into when he bought on October, he introduced the additional capital. So from October we have to calculate till March. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. For 6 months we have to calculate. So 16,000 into 12% into 6 by 12. It comes to 960. So the total interest on capital of Krish is 8,160. You can ask me here a doubt. Why ma'am we have calculated on 1,58,000 for Josh and we have calculated 60,000 as well as 16,000 for Krish. So Josh didn't introduce any additional capital, so there is no confusion with Josh. Directly capital in the beginning, 1,58,000 for Josh, we have calculated the interest on capital. Here, why? Because we have taken 16,000 is because, see, while calculating the capital at the beginning, we have deducted the additional capital. After deducting the additional capital, we got this 60,000. So the capital in the beginning is 60,000 for Krish. And as we have deducted the additional capital here, we will take into consideration the additional capital while calculating the interest on capital. So that's the reason why we have taken the additional capital here to calculate the interest on capital. So this is the calculation of interest on capital. I hope you have understood the problem. So take a screenshot of it. I'll show you the problem once again. You can take a screenshot of it. So this is the problem. Hope you have taken a screenshot, and this is the solution for that problem. Take a screenshot and try to solve it in your problem. So this is all about how to calculate the interest on capital. In the next class, let us learn how to calculate the interest on drawings. So this is enough for today. Hope you have taken the screenshot and hope you will try to solve the problem. Thank you.